Karin, you recently heard about a troubling situation at an automotive OEM. Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah, this is really mind-boggling. That's why it's so important for me to do a video on that. Assembly workers don't always have anyone to cover their stations when they have to use the washroom. They have to wait until they can find someone.
But Karin, isn't that simply how an assembly line works?
No, maybe that's what leaders think, or maybe they don't think about it. But operational requirements should never, ever eliminate basic human needs. This isn't efficiency. This is failure of planning and leadership.
Hmm, that's an interesting point, but still, isn't it mainly a staffing issue?
Yeah, of course, but staffing is leadership responsibility. And if production targets can only be achieved by denying people basic dignity, something is fundamentally wrong with the system.
In your opinion, if that's the case, what message does this send employees?
The message it sends to employees is that production is more important than their well being. People may have people first on the wall, but people experience the real culture through everyday decisions.
Okay. In that case, what should leaders do differently?
Provide trained relief coverage, cross train employees, listen to the employees. Now, additional coverage may cost money, but so does absenteeism, turnover, quality issues, and disengagement.
Having said all that, what is the bigger leadership lesson here?
I want that people stop normalizing conditions because this is how it has always been. Simply ask yourself, would I accept these working conditions for myself or for my loved ones, for my children, for example? If the answer is no, don't expect employees to accept it.
Well, that's really powerful. Now, if this message resonated with you, please share it with other leaders. And we will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.